Welcome to my YouTube channel dear PC. Today I am to show a tutorial video for you how to protect your Microsoft PowerPoint file with a password protection for your personal file. First I make a PowerPoint file. This file name is new Microsoft PowerPoint slideshow file. If you want to protect this file with a password, just open it. It is opening. Viewers, it is open. Now click for your password protection. Just click file. Now click protect presentation and click here and click here and give your password. First I am give password and click OK. It is complete. Just close and save. Now test this. Need password required. Give password. It is open and close. Viewers, if you want to change this password, just open it. Give your password and click file for change this password. Just click on this and click here. First time I am give 2-word password. Now I am to give 3-character password. Give 3-character password and repeat password. Click OK. Close it. Save it. Now open this. Need password required. Give 3-word or 3-character password. Click OK. Let's close it. If you want to remove this password and open this, give your password and click OK. If you want remove this password, just click on file and click protect presentation and click here and just clear it. No need more work. And then click OK. It is complete. Close it and save it. Okay, done. It has no password protect. Password already removed this password. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel.